It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 13th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Hot temperatures along with a low-grade monsoon forecast will be the rule around here through the rest of the week and this weekend. A couple of days, we do expect to see a small increase in the number of storms. Speaking of, by next week, thunderstorm activity is expected to increase statewide as deeper monsoon moisture comes into the region, and that should help to lower temperatures as well. All right, let's talk about it. We'll look at the almanac from yesterday. Yes, it was very hot out there, 112 degrees the afternoon high, 93 the record warm low temperature, the normal high 107, the normal low 85. And as we take a look outside right now at 8:20 a.m., we've got partly cloudy sky across the area. And yes, it's already 99 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 58, relative humidity 26%, though winds are light and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows high pressure lurking around the four corners, a rather intense ridge with upper heights around 594 to 596 decameters. But the flow aloft is out of the southeast, so at least some monsoon moisture is making its way into the state. The problem is the winds aloft are fairly light, and we have warmer air in the mid-levels as well, so that's limiting thunderstorm activity at least somewhat across the state. But still, we expect isolated storms around here for the next few days. Here's the watch warning map. Heat still the story across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, western Mississippi. Here in Maricopa County, we've got an air quality alert once again for elevated ozone levels. The convective outlook for today, risk of severe storms way up north across parts of Montana and some of the adjacent states. And with a surface boundary draped over the southeast U.S., a risk of severe storms there. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorm activity expected. And while we don't expect organized severe storms, as you know, any one storm during the monsoon can become locally severe. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix generally under 1/10 of an inch with somewhat heavier totals, of course, over the favored areas up north, the eastern mountains, southeastern portions of the state. But any one storm can obviously drop more rain than what's shown here. This just represents kind of an average of what we expect over the next week or so. Let's get into this forecast in more detail. To do that, we'll take a look at the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It is the 06Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging here across the southwest, that's 594 plus decameter ridge, and southeast to easterly flow aloft. That is the good news. So what it means for us down at the surface, a mix of sun and clouds today. Widely scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms develop over the mountains. They will move toward the deserts. A few of those will survive to get pretty close to us here in the Phoenix area. So we're going to put a 20% chance of showers and storms in the forecast for late this afternoon and this evening. High temperatures today, still very hot though, somewhere between 108 to 112. Tonight, slight chance of evening showers and thunderstorms. Otherwise, partly cloudy, overnight lows, mid-80s to low 90s. And then tomorrow, we continue with this low-grade monsoon forecast. Partly cloudy, hot, somewhat muggy, slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms, and highs again somewhere right around or just above 110 degrees. On Friday, we do expect to see a small increase in the number of storms thanks to a weak easterly wave that should come into the area. And so a slightly better chance of rain in here. We've put a 30% chance of storms in the forecast for Friday night. High temperatures still at or above 110, though. And then over the weekend, a low-grade monsoon forecast in effect. Partly cloudy, hot, muggy, slight chance of late afternoon and evening showers and storms. Better coverage of storms over the mountains, of course, and high temperatures each day for Saturday and Sunday, right around 110. Going into next week, things looking a little bit more favorable for an increase in monsoonal moisture. Weakening ridge to the north and east of us with a continued east-southeasterly flow. Easterly waves may play a part in coming in here to occasionally enhance storm activity, plus evidence of a weak inverted trough right off the Baja as well. So all of that should set the stage for better coverage of storms. We'll go with a 30% chance of rain for Monday. High temperatures backing off a few degrees around 104 to 108. We might lower temps another degree or two on Tuesday with scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. All right, here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 20th of July. And as expected, that tropical system we'd been talking about the last couple of days, now the models are trending that further to the west and away from us, moving farther away from the Baja. However, monsoon ridge still in place, easterly flow, and the GFS rather insistent on a prominent inverted trough moving into this greater southwest. And should that verify, we'd see an increase in rain chances. This showing scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms across northwest Mexico and moving into southern Arizona at that time. And maybe some locally heavy rain possible. So we'll watch this model trend. And if that's right, temperatures would head down as well to maybe further below average. Then taking a look out 10 days, this is Friday, the 22nd. Still have that monsoon ridge for scattered afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms across the area. And temperatures right around or maybe a degree or 3 below normal. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 27th of July, coming off of the GFS ensemble. And yes, every single member indicates precipitation during this period, with the bulk of the rain likely in here sometime next week. And the ensemble mean is around 2/3 of an inch. The control member way over 1 inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models hot. That's the bottom line for the rest of this week, this weekend, and then trending down at least a bit as we head into next week. And of course, readings could be a little bit lower than what's shown here if higher moisture levels do materialize. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Music fans, check it out. Available 24/7, 365. It's that streaming station that everybody loves. It's called KMGX. And we play a lot of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. It is myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the programming and operation of that station. So do give it a listen. I leave a link to it in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves a glorious Wednesday.